Today I have our opportunity to share my views on Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day as a national festival of India. The day marked the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15 August 1947. Furthermore, it was the most important day for the people of India because India becomes independent after lots of hardships and sacrifice of the brave Indian freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi and many more. From that day onwards, 15 August became a very important day in Indian history and in the heart of every Indian. Also, the entire nation celebrates this day with the full spirit of patriotism. After the independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister of India. Moreover, he unfurled our tricolor flag at the red font in the national capital, New Delhi, for the first time. From there onwards, every year we celebrate Independence Day at Red Fort, New Delhi. In addition, the army performs many tasks that also include a march past, cultural program by school students. In addition, we celebrate Independence Day to remember the lives that we sacrificed to gain this freedom, as they are the ones who struggled for our country. Furthermore, on this day we forget our difference and unite as one true nation could. Importance of Independence Day celebrations. See guys, we celebrate Independence Day on a vast scale in our country. Also, every government building is decorated with tricolor lights, that orange, white and green, just like the national flag. Furthermore, every official and office staff, whether private or government, has to be present in the office for the flag hosting ceremony and singing our national anthem. Besides, there is a lot of other reasons to celebrate our Independence Day. Honor the memory of our freedom fighters. Freedom fighters struggled to make our country free from the Britishers. In addition, they were the ones who sacrificed their lives for the country. On this day, every citizen of our country pays tribute to them. Furthermore, the school and college organize various functions to celebrate our independence and to pay tribute to these freedom fighters. And also, students perform in these programs that depict the struggle of our freedom fighters. In schools and college, students give slow and cute performance of patriotic songs. These songs fill our heart with a feeling of patriotism and love for our country. Usually in office, it is a non-working day, but all the staff and officials gather to express their patriotism for the country. In addition, at various office, employees deliver speech to enlighten people about the freedom struggle, also about the effort of our freedom fighters to make this country an independent nation, to spark the spirit of patriotism in youth. The youth of our country has the power to change the nations. By means, someone rightly said that the future hangs on the young generations. Hence, it becomes our duty to serve the nations and make our every possible effort to make our country better and best. One of the main motivates for celebrating Independence Day is to make the young generation aware of the sacrifice we have made to make this country a better place for them. Most noteworthy, it tells them how a country got independence from the Britishers and about the sacrifices our freedom fighter has made for the country. Also, we do it to make our children aware of the history of our country. It makes them aware of the development that took place in the past year to make them serious about our future and career, which they put forth to make our country better. So, we are Indians and we proud to be an Indians. Thank you to all freedom fighters who struggle a lot just to make this country as a best country. ना पूछो जमाने से क्या हमारी कहानी है, हमारी पहचान तो बस इतनी है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं।